Number 7 isn't anything that you don't already know how to do. It's just that you have to do a little bit more work to find your information. Because in the past, they've given you the mean and the standard deviation, which you need to find that confidence interval. So now we got to do it ourselves, which is no big deal. This is one of those problems that gives you the little click here for the Excel data file, so that if you click on that button, it will actually put the waiting times in an Excel document for you. Here's what that file would look like. I've given you a link to the video to remind you how to use your Excel to find the mean and the standard deviation. And there's also a screenshot here of what that would look like. And so remember the mean, I put my mean here, and the standard deviation is right there. But again, I have given you directions in Excel for how to get there. And then we're just using the same formula that we've been using. So you can use Excel again to calculate that confidence interval. And let's break down where the pieces came from so that when you type them in there, you remember where they came from. So the A, our level of uncertainty, is 10% because our confidence level that we want is 90%, right? So that's where the 0.1 came from right there. Standard deviation, we used Excel to get that for us. So that was this 3.64, so that's where that part of the formula came from. And the number, your N value, is that 16 that was given to us. So remember, you'll take this part of the formula, you will type this into Excel to get that error, and then you're going to take the mean. So I've typed this into Excel. So I typed that formula into Excel. This is the number it gave me, right here. I've given you a little screenshot to see. So now we're going to take that error and we are going to add it to the mean, and we're going to subtract it to the mean, just like you've done several times at this point. So you'll do that 19.875, and this mean came from that first step that we did in Excel a minute ago. You're going to add 1.5993, and then you're going to take the 19.875, and you're going to subtract that 1.5993. And that is going to give you either side of your interval, which is right here.